Imagine two cosmic titans, each containing billions of stars, locked in a battle raging for millions of years. Today we're going to explore one of the most spectacular discoveries in modern astronomy, a galactic war happening 11 billion light-years away, where one galaxy is literally attacking another at speeds of 1.8 million kilometers per hour. This remarkable discovery was made using the Very Large Telescopes over nearly 4 years of careful observation. But what astronomers found wasn't just two galaxies colliding, it was something far more dramatic. These galaxies are so far away that we're seeing them as they were 11 billion years ago, when the universe was just a fraction of its current age. This gives us a unique window into cosmic history. At the heart of this cosmic warfare is what astronomers call a quasar, one of the most powerful objects in the universe. A quasar is powered by a supermassive black hole actively feeding on surrounding material. As matter spirals into the black hole, it heats up to millions of degrees, releasing radiation about 1,000 times stronger than anything we see in our Milky Way. To put this in perspective, if our galaxy's central black hole produced energy like this quasar, life on Earth would be impossible. The radiation would sterilize our entire solar system. Now here's where this cosmic battle gets really fascinating. The attacking galaxy's radiation specifically targets the building blocks of star formation in its neighbor. Stars are born in dense clouds of hydrogen gas, but when the quasar's powerful radiation hits these clouds, it literally tears the hydrogen atoms apart, breaking the molecular bonds that hold them together. Without these dense gas clouds, new stars simply cannot form. It's like removing the raw materials from a factory. Production comes to a grinding halt. But there's a cruel irony here. As the attacking galaxy destroys its neighbor's star-forming ability, it's also stealing material from the victim, feeding its supermassive black hole and making the quasar even more powerful. Researchers have dubbed this phenomenon a cosmic joust, an incredibly apt description. Like medieval knights charging at each other with lances, these galaxies are engaged in a high-speed collision that will ultimately result in their merger. What makes this discovery so remarkable is that it's the first time scientists have directly observed how a quasar's radiation affects nearby star-forming gas. Initially, they only knew there was molecular gas between the quasar and Earth. It took larger telescopes to reveal the true nature of this galactic conflict. Quasar light is so intense that it typically hides nearby galaxies, making discoveries like this extremely rare. This research gives us crucial insights into how galaxies evolved in the early universe, when such violent encounters were much more common than they are today. This galactic war, playing out across unimaginable distances and time frames, reminds us that the universe is far more dynamic and violent than we might imagine.